Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on open a browser and just go to roblox.com. Now guys, you just need to tap on this three bar over here and just tap on avatar. And if you are on iPhone or iPad, you just need to tap on this double A over here and just tap on request to desktop website. If you are on Android, you just need to enable by tapping on three dot over your browser and enable the desktop mode. Now once you're here guys, just tap on head and body and go to here. Right now you can see that I have 4 hairs. I want to select multiple ones. Right now I have only selected one. So if I am trying to select two hair at once, you can see I'm not being able to do that. So how can I select multiple hairs at once? So you just need to hold a new hair and copy the link address and open a new tab from here. Just tap on add button and paste your link over here and just copy the asset ID from here and copy the asset ID. Once you copy the asset ID, open on tab, just tap on add advanced link over here, just paste your asset ID over here and just tap on this save button. Just tap on save again and boom, your both hair will be selected at once. So if you want to select more than 2 hairs, you have to repeat the same steps, and that's how you can select multiple hairs on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Roblox content and tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.